Hi everyone! Thanks for tuning into the Japanese Libro. This week, we're going to read a Japanese fairy tale calledんまりくらへ, The Silence Game. Sumi drew the pictures and rewrote it from the original version, and Ori did the translation. So let's check it out. The Silence Game. Long, long time ago, there lived an old man and an old woman who loved mochi. One day, they received 7 mochis from their neighbor. The old man and old woman started to eat it right away. "Yummy, yum, yum. This mochi is very good," said the old man. "Yes, indeed, because it's freshly made," said the old woman. And so they kept eating one after the other, until there was only 3 left. "Let's eat it all before it gets hard," said the old man. "Yes, indeed," said the old woman. So they ate one more each, and there was only 1 left. "Now what shall we do with this mochi?" said the old man. "What shall we do?" said the old woman. "How about playing the silence game? The winner gets to eat the last mochi," said the old man. The silence game is a competition to keep silent. The first one to talk becomes the loser. "Yes, indeed, let's do so," said the old woman. And so they started the silence game. Not being able to talk was not fun, so they decided to go to bed early. However, they could not help thinking of the last mochi and could not sleep. It became midnight. Then suddenly, a thief broke into the house. Both the old man and woman noticed the thief. However, the one who spoke first would not be able to eat the last mochi, and so they kept quiet. The thief wrapped up the stolen goods in a cloth and was about to leave when he noticed the mochi. "Oh, it's a mochi. I'll take this too," said the thief, and was about to eat it when the old woman cried out, "Don't eat that mochi!" The startled thief threw out everything he stole and ran away. The old man came out of his bed and said, "I won the silence game," and started eating the last mochi. "If I didn't cry out, the thief would have eaten the mochi," said the old woman, and resentfully watched the old man eat the last mochi. The end.